Once they start the trial, what should a member expect, starting from day one? Like, what do you think their responsibilities are throughout this challenge?
So again, I mean, we try to just get members to do, simply one lesson a day and just always be moving forward, keeping it moving. But you should not be expecting you're going to be putting on this major risk or making $1 million in the first couple weeks or any of these things that a lot of new traders, have the misconception of, I'm going to start trading tomorrow and then in 2 days I'm going to be rich. So we're taking the long game approach, do a lesson a day, move throughout the programs, really learn a solid foundation of what you should be looking for trading, at least technically trading. So, I'd say have some patience with the process, and it pays off, tenfold in a couple of years. You got to remember you're playing this game for the next 20, 30 years. You don't need to worry about what happens next week. You need to worry about what you do in the next year, next 2 years.